So in this video I would like you to learn more about the TukeyHSD. Yeah, so we already saw in a previous video on the ANOVA that indeed, this summary will give you the F value and whether it's significant or not. However, it doesn't tell you which groups and how they differ. Which groups differ from one another and how they differ. Yeah, so we have 3 groups, so it could be that group 1 and 2 differ, but group 1 and 3 do not differ. Now, in order to do that, we have to save this result into an object. And please mind that I put the summary around it. Another way could be in 2 steps. Could be that first I save it into an object, and then I I take the summary of this object. Yeah? Now, if I now type TukeyHSD, then the X, again you can use the help function to find more about this command. So we see here, oh no, that's not it. So it's actually case sensitive, the help function. Okay, so X is a fitted model, usually an AOV fit. Yeah? So I'm going to put here my AOV fit, and then I get the results. And as you can see, each line is a comparison of 2 groups. So the first line compares group 2 and 1. The actual difference in the number of kids, because the X011 is the number of kids they have, is minus 0.99, meaning that group 2, so education level 2, has fewer kids, almost a fewer kid than the group 1. Now this is a significant result, and we can see the same holds also for group 3 and 1, and for group 3 and 2, there the difference is the smallest. Now, I also would like to point out this P adjusted. So why does it says adjusted? It means so basically how you should interpret this this line is just the 2 sample t-test. Yeah, so this P value just comes from comparing the mean number of kids in group 2 with the mean number of kids in group 1. Now, if you do this TukeyHSD, so you basically perform 2 sample t-tests for each group comparison, it means you repeatedly perform this t-test. Now, to adjust for the chance findings that you might get if you repeat this test, they take a little bit more strict p-value. Yeah? And therefore it says p adjusted.